In this video, I will show you how to create a BPMN diagram in Draw.io. BPMN stands for Business Process Model and Notation, and there are two ways you can build it inside Draw.io. You can use a ready-made template, or you can build the diagram manually from scratch. I will show you both methods. First, let's start with the template option. Click the plus icon to open the Insert menu, then select Template. In the search bar at the top, type BPMN and press Enter. You will see a BPMN template appear. Click on it, then click Insert. Now the entire BPMN diagram template will be added to your workspace. From here, you can customize it however you need. You can move the shapes, change the colors, rename tasks, and modify the flow to match your business process. If you prefer to build your BPMN diagram manually, you can do that as well. Look on the left side where your shapes are, then click More Shapes at the bottom. A menu will appear. Scroll until you see the business category and enable BPMN 2.0 by checking the box. Click Apply to add the shapes to your toolbar. Now you will see the full BPMN library on the left, including general shapes, tasks, events, gateways, and choreography elements. You can drag and drop the components you need and build your BPMN diagram step by step from scratch, exactly how you want it. So that is how you create a BPMN diagram in Draw.io, either using a quick template or building it manually with the BPMN shape library. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more Draw.io tutorials.